Hi, I'm Danielle Cassidy. I'm the principal here at James T. Alton Middle School. Tonight is our open house. It is just a great time for parents and their students to come in and walk the building, find out where their classes are, get their schedules, meet their teachers, and just kind of get comfortable with the building and get used to being back at school. We also are set up in the cafeteria today. Students can find out about sports programs and other extracurricular activities. They can get their Infinite Campus parent portal. Ms. Reeves in the front office can help them get set up with that. There's just a lot of different things that they can do and just to get themselves set up for success this year. I think everything that we do here, whether it's new or old, is always new and exciting for us because it's a new school year. We do have a couple of new programs that we're going to be starting this year. One is Character Strong. So it's just a character education program that we're going to be using in our homerooms to help us set off on the positive note.
We have a PTSA booth out there. Our Parent Teacher Student Association, your students can also join PTSA. PTSA is a great organization. Please don't feel like you have to volunteer for everything if you join PTSA. We understand that some folks are busy and you have busy lives and you can't always come into the school and volunteer, but you can help out in other ways. So please make sure that you join PTSA, go out there and say hi to those ladies out there. They'll help you through that. See Miss Varela, she's our librarian. If you want to get a one-to-one Chromebook, we are one-to-one here at JTA, which means that your student can take a Chromebook home with them if you give permission for that, okay? So if you would like to go on ahead and do that tonight, she can take care of you there. I also want to make sure that everybody understands how important attendance is. Attendance is super, super important. We could have the Kentucky Teacher of the Year in that classroom, and they cannot do anything with your child if they are not here. So please, please make sure that your child is here every single day unless they truly are sick. When we say sick, we mean running a fever. If they have a fever over 101, vomiting or diarrhea, stay home for sure, because that means you're probably contagious. But other than that, let's get them here. If they wake up and they have a migraine or a headache, get them here. We'll take care of them, okay? Middle school can be a big adjustment. There's a lot of new challenges. You go from a very small environment where you have a very close-knit group of friends to all of a sudden having to jockey for friend position because you've got all these new people coming into a school, and so that can be a little bit of an adjustment for our middle schoolers. They also have more freedom. When the bell rings, they go to their next class, so there's a little bit more freedom in middle school, and so that can be a little bit of an adjustment for them too. And then let's not forget that hormones kick in right around this time as well. And there are also some greater expectations sometimes. Sometimes middle school, the work becomes a little bit harder. So just keep those lines of communication open with us. If something is bothering you, or if you see something in Infinite Campus that worries you about your child's grade, please just shoot that teacher an email, and we will, they'll get back with you within 24 hours, and we'll make sure that we come up with a plan to help your child, okay? Do we have any cheerleaders in the audience? Come on down, cheerleaders. And parents, if you know the fight song, sing along with us. Y'all gonna have to help. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Onward Trojans. Onward Trojans. Trojans.
Not to say